Hey guys, welcome to the Manu Education. Now today in this video we'll talk about the 5 years integrated program in management. So which are the top colleges who offer this particular program, the IPM program, and which are the entrance exams through which you can enter into those respective institutes. So guys, watch this video till the end, because if you are 12th pass or if you are appearing the 12th, then guys definitely you can enter into the IIMs by giving the respective entrance exams. So guys, this video is about the 5 years IPM program right after 12 standards. So watch this video till the end. So guys, before moving further, we have launched the batches for all BBA entrance exams preparations. If you want a preparation for IPMAT, IIM Indore or Rohtak, for ZipMat, for CUT, NPAT, SET, CUCET, St. Xavier's, UGAT, DUJAT, IPCUT, and lot of entrance exams are there. So if you want a preparation for 2022 or 23, guys, you can interact live with us. You will also receive the books. You will learn various shortcut tricks. All doubt will be solved. You will get access for the recorded videos, topic tests, full length mock tests. WhatsApp group will be made where you can share all your doubts, and throughout this period you will solve around 10,000 plus questions. That means lot of data for the practice purpose, guys, and definitely you will get the mentorship. So guys, if you want a preparation, book your seat right now. Call on 8828581455, or you can visit our website manuedu.com/BBA entrance. So let's move to the main topic, and as I always ask, why you should target the top colleges. So guys, all these facilities. Very first one, the campus. Obviously campus का environment ऐसा होना चाहिए जहां हमारा मन लगा रहे, right guys? So all those candidates who loves the infrastructure, for them उनके लिए campus सब कुछ है. Thereafter, all the facilities, faculty, this plays a vital role. Now exposure, you will get the total exposure to all the organizations with respect to your internship or the summer internship. Okay guys, and most important factor, that is nothing but the placement and the return on the investment. So guys, to get all these features under one roof, you have to target the top entrance test with respect to that particular institute. So which are all those top institutes and which are those entrance exams? Let's talk about it. So very first one, the IIM Indore. Now this one, it is the first institute who started the 5-year integrated program in management, and in the year 2011. So it is the first institutes in all over India. Thereafter, other IIMs comes and joins the race. So it is the 6th IIM, established in 1996 at Rao Pithambar Road, Indore. If we talk about all the parameters, it has 150 seat intake. Now cutoff. So guys, I have made all the detailed video with respect to these all institutes and their respective entrance exams. Now you can find the videos such as all about IPMAT, and you can also find the videos as all about IIM Indore on our YouTube channel. Okay guys, so watch that video. You will get detailed info about each particular institutes and the exam, their pattern, selection process, and everything. If we talk about the cutoff, then it is 120 to 140 plus. Okay guys, now let's talk about the fee structure. So fee structure is quite higher. It is about 30 lakh for all 5 years. So first 3 years you will get the BBA degree, and thereafter after 2 years you will get the MBA degree. Okay guys, so if you are in IIM Indore, that means after 3 years you will get the Bachelor of Foundation of Management degree. Okay, and thereafter the Master of Business Administration degree under the dual degree program. Let's talk about the placement packages. So the average placement package is nothing but the 22.92 lakh per annum, and if we talk about the highest placement package for IIM Indore, then it is around 50 lakh per annum domestic package and around 80 lakh per annum international package. So guys, if we talk about the ranking, then IIM Indore comes at 7th position in NIRF 2020. So if you want to enter into the IIM Indore, you have to prepare for the IPMAT, and this exam conducted by the IIM Indore itself. Okay guys, now let's move to the another one, the IIM Rohtak. Now according to NIRF, it stands at 21st rank, situated at Sunaria, Rohtak. And the best advantage of this institute, it is about the location. It located within the NCR, the National Capital Region. So a lot of companies are there, enterprises are there. So there is huge benefit for the internship also, for the summer internship also, and also at the time of placement. It is the 8th in the family of state supported management schools, and that is nothing but the IIM, established in 2009. And it was the second institute who started the 5-year integrated program in management in 2019. Although first batch abhi tak clear nahi hua hai guys, but these institutes will give you the best ROI. These are all the parameters. The seat intake 160. If you talk about the cutoff, around 150 to 160 plus mark in IPMAT exam, which is conducted by IIM Rohtak. So this IPMAT is conducted by IIM Rohtak, and IIM Indore conducts its own IPMAT. Okay guys, now let's talk about the fee structure. Then as in IIM Indore, it is around 30 lakh for 5 years. And if you talk about the placement packages, then the highest package was 22.92 lakh per annum. Okay guys, so this is the package about the IIM Rohtak. And if you talk about the average package, then it is around 13.74 lakh per annum. Let's move to another one, and it is IIM Ranchi. Now if you talk about the NIP ranking, then it is at 20th place, situated at Mehurs Road, Ranchi, and it is established in collaboration with the IIM Kolkata and also the government of Jharkhand. So it was the 9th IIM established in 2009, and it is the only IIM which offers the full-time 2 years program, that is nothing but the Master of Business Administration in Human Resource and Management. Now the flagship program is nothing but the MBA General program. Then these are the parameters. Seat intake is 120. Now cutoff. Okay, so IIM Ranchi will introduce its 5-year integrated program from 2021, and the batch will be 21-26. So cutoff के बारे में अभी भी कुछ जानकारी नहीं guys, because it will accept the IP MAT score and also the SAT score. Okay, so if you talk about the IP MAT, 120 to 140 is for IIM Indore. We can imagine 100 to 120 will be for the IIM Ranchi. Okay guys, now if you talk about the fee structure, then it is same as IIM Rohtak Indore mein hai, 28 to 30 lakh for all 5 years. And if you talk about the placement packages, then look at the figures guys, 26.5 lakh per annum ka package. So quite good institutes, gives you the best ROI. Now another one, the IIM Jammu. Okay guys, the new IIM, okay, just established in 2016. Okay, so it was the 20th IIM, situated at Canal Road, Jammu. Now in a very few time span, it got the best recognition, and also it come among the top 20 business schools. Just look at the placement figure guys. The highest package was 32 lakh per annum. If you talk about the average package, then it is around 10 lakh and 94,000 ka average package deta hai guys. If you talk about the seat intake, then only 60 seats. Cutoff not finalized yet, because it will conduct the ZipMat exam. So about the ZipMat, I already made the video guys. You can watch that particular video. कौन से sections आने वाले, what will be the paper pattern, what will be the selection process criteria. Okay guys, so because you should aware about all these things. जो भी entrance exam है उस regarding सारी चीजें आपको पता होनी चाहिए guys. So regarding ZipMat, you can watch our previous video. Now if you talk about the fee structure, then it is 28 to 30 lakh for all 5 years. Okay, so IIM Jammu joins the race in 2021. So batch will be 2021 to 26. Okay guys, इसीलिए हमारे पास कट ऑफ नहीं है, क्योंकि एग्जाम होना अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Let's move another one, the IIM Bodh Gaya. Now again, Indian Institute of Management, situated at Prabandh Bihar, Bodh Gaya, Gaya district, Bihar. Previously it was known as IIM Bihar. Now it is termed as IIM Bodh Gaya. So it was 16th IIM, established in 2015. It comes under 24th among top business schools in India. If you talk about the parameters, then 60 seat intake is for IPM program. Now if you want to enter into the IIM Bodh Gaya, then you have to crack this ZipMat exam, and that's why we don't have the cutoff here. Okay guys, so if you talk about the fee structure, then 28 to 30 lakh for all 5 years. And look at the placement figure guys, the 20 lakh per annum, the highest package from the IIM Bodh Gaya. Okay guys, so we have discussed the 5 years integrated program in management from the top 5 institutes in India. Okay, so these all are the IIMs. Now in the upcoming year might be the IIM Bangalore and IIM Lucknow will be joining the race for the IPM program. So ऐसी न्यूज आई रही थी, IIM Bangalore and Lucknow will join the race for the IPM program, but not finalized yet. But these all are the 5 IIMs जहां आप pursue कर सकते हो the integrated program in management. Because guys, don't wait for your graduation और उसके बाद आप CAT की एग्जाम दो, all respective MBA entrance के लिए preparations करो. Just after your 12th, you can prepare for these respective exams, the IPMAT, ZipMat or SAT. Prepare hard, crack it, and you can definitely enter into the IIMs. So now it's your turn guys. Let's prepare for all these entrance exams. You can call on 8285811455. Or you can also call on these respective numbers. You can interact live with us. You can join our classroom preparations. You can order the books, mock, GD, VAT, interview, or you can also enroll for the mentorship programs. For all exam updates and the notifications, you can follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. Okay guys, so all link I mentioned in the description. Kindly check those links and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Manu BP Entrance. So that's it guys. If you like the video, hit the like button and do share to all of your friends. Okay, so thank you very much. All the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.